Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add transition in CapCut PC. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut and let me add video clips here. So once and make it let me make it smaller, and this is the third. Once you added videos, so let me make them a little bit smaller so that you can see more accurately. Once you add the clips, you simply need to go into the transitions, and here you can see different transitions. So first I'm going to add the mix transition here. Okay, and then I'm going to add this dissolve. You need to add it here like this. So let me show you the final result, and from here you can see as well. So this is the process how you can add transition in CapCut on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.